Hey everybody, I didn't realize it was on. Hey everybody, got another 2007 football box break for you. Oh, you know what? I think we're going to actually need the other garbage can. Okay. There we go. So, it's Score Jumbo. And I guess, oh, you can see.
Oh, right, yeah.
Okay, this is even, was the other Score Jumbo? You see it through?
I don't remember opening jumbo cards.
We did, because the, well, I'll show you which one. Okay, so Calvin Johnson, rookie, that's good. Jamarcus Russell, rookie, that's bad. Joe Thomas, rookie. Now we've got Jamal Lewis, Mario Williams, Brandon Moore, Dante Whitner, Ben Watson, Eric Barton, TJ Hushmanzad, Willie Parker, Mark Bolger, Sean Alexander, Rudy Johnson, and Andra Davis, Wally Lundy, Walt Harris, Aaron Schobel, Wes Welker, Jonathan Vilma, Chad Johnson, Ben Roethlisberger, Chika Okafor, Anthony Thomas, Tom Brady, Brian Thomas. And see, these were only in the jumbo ones, and we did have them before. Okay, so we've got Trevor Price, Atomic, if you guys remember these Atomic Parallels. Mike Sims Walker, Atomic Rookie Parallel. Thomas Clayton, Rookie Gold Zone, number 2, 600. And, let's see, okay. 3 glossy cards, Josh Wilson rookie, John Beeson rookie, and Teddy Bruschi. Okay.
Lorenzo Buca, rookie. Trent Edwards, rookie. Antonio Gonzalez, rookie. Mark Anderson, AJ Hawk. AJ, sorry. Alge Crumpler, Scott Fujita, Edgerrin James, Plaxico Burris, Brandon Lloyd, D'Angelo Williams, Ron DeBarber,
Rondé,
Brady James, Lito Shepard, Devin Hester, Charles Woodson, Michael Jenkins, Deuce McAllister, Matt Leinart, Eli Manning,
brother of Peyton.
Mewelde Moore,
Yes.
Julius Peppers, Alex Smith, Patrick Creighton, Trent Cole, Robbie Gould, Devin Hester, Atomic. Terrell Owens,
Atomic.
Maurice Jones-Drew,
Franchise Insert.
Kirk Morrison.
Glossy, okay. Glossy, yeah.
LJ Smith. And Kato June.
Alright. Okay, next pack. This one's gonna have 7 Adrian Petersons in it.
At least.
Dwayne Bowe, rookie. That's pretty good. Dwayne Jarrett, rookie. Rima McKnight, rookie. Reggie Brown, Adrian Wilson, Musin Muhammad. Charles Grant. Antonio Pierce, Liddell Betts, Corey Redding, Troy Williamson, Matt Schaub, Reggie Bush, Julius Jones, Brian Westbrook, Lawyer, Lawyer Malloy, Will Smith, Neil Rackers, Sonoris Moss, Lamar Marshall, Mike Furry, Chester Taylor, Jarius Norwood, Devery Henderson, Tony Romo, Tavares Jackson, Michael Jenkins, Atomic, Darius Walker, Atomic Rookie, Vince Young, Franchise, Insert, Michael Akwo, Glossy Rookie, Todd Heap and London Fletcher, Glossy.
Kenny Irons, rookie. David Clowney, rookie. Craig Buster Davis, rookie. Dan Bazwin, rookie.
Oh, wow, another rookie.
Danny Ware, rookie.
Wow.
Rufus Alexander, rookie. Bobby McRae, Tony Scheffler, Andrew Walter, Antonio Gates, Ryan McBean.
Oh, wait, that's a rookie.
Oh, yeah, sorry. AJ Davis, rookie. Joseph Adai, Jay Cutler, Vincent Jackson, Eric Wright.
Oh, rookie. Wow, a lot of rookies in this one.
Eric Weddle.
Rookie.
Reggie Ball.
Rookie.
Mercedes Lewis. Rod Smith. Brody Croyle. Lorenzo Neal. Byron Leftwich. Roydell Williams.
Roydell. Silly sounding name.
Kawika Mitchell.
Okay, that's even worse.
LaDainian Tomlinson.
There's a nice name.
Sean Merriman. Atomic.
Okay.
Calvin Johnson, hot rookie.
Oh, Atomic hot rookie. Fancy.
Dwayne Bowe.
Hot rookie.
Nate Burleson.
Glossy.
Tony Gonzalez. And Terrell Owens.
Alright. Darius Walker, Brady Quinn, Brian Leonard, all rookies. Santana Moss, John Kitna, Aaron Rodgers, Keith Brooking, Terrence Copper, Larry Fitzgerald, Brandon Jacobs, Sean Taylor, Roy Williams. Oh, this is interesting. Roy Williams and Roy Williams, but they're two different Roy Williamses.
Oh.
Yeah, this Roy Williams was born in 1981. The other one was born in 1980. Clinton Portis, Brian... Nick Barnett, D'Angelo Hall, Marcus Colston, Anquan Bolden, Jeremy Shockey, Chris Cooley, Kevin Jones, Jermaine Phillips, DeMarcus Ware, Jason Campbell. Wait, I'm not done.
Sorry. I didn't see.
Deuce McAllister, Atomic. Alan Branch, Atomic Rookie. Carson Palmer, Franchise. Of course, it couldn't be Adrian Peterson. Amobi Okoye, Artist Proof, which is numbered to 32. Carlos Dansby, Michael Huff, Glossy, and Tim Shaw, Glossy Rookie. I say that word kind of strange.
Which one?
Glossy?
Glossy?
Glossy? I don't know, it doesn't seem like a word anymore. Glossy?
Kevin Kolb, rookie.
Ah! I'm so excited about this Kevin Kolb rookie. So excited. I mean, oh my god, he's such a great player.
Jared
Hey!
Adrian Peterson.
Yay! Oh. Waka waka. Oh, come on, focus for me. There we go.
Jared Zabronsky, rookie.
Poor Kevin Cole.
Cato June.
Mm-hmm.
Bo Scaife.
Mm.
Eddie Kinnison. Michael Huff.
Huff? Oh, yeah, Michael Huff.
Huff?
Yeah.
Huff, Huff. Josh Wilson, rookie.
Okay.
Tim Crowder, rookie.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry.
My fault. Good thing it wasn't Kevin Cole.
Brandon Marshall. Ronald Curry. Jamal Williams. Marcus McCauley, rookie.
Mm-hmm.
Eric Frampton, rookie.
Mm-hmm.
Robert Mathis. Brandon Jones. Larry Johnson. Warren Sapp. Gary Russell, rookie.
Okay.
Ernest Wilford.
I don't know why I expected you to say Borgnine. He was an
right,
actor.
okay, yeah. Mike Bell. Randy Moss. Michael Turner. Toby Korody, rookie.
Silly name.
Cindric Steptoe, rookie.
Every time I say silly name, a worse one comes.
Dallas Clark. Reggie Wayne.
Atomic.
Michael Griffin.
Atomic Rookie.
Dwayne Jarrett.
Hot Rookie. Insert.
Tim Crowder, rookie.
Glossy Rookie.
Fred Taylor.
Mm-hmm.
And David Tyree.
Both glossies. Okay. Man, I really want... Really... That's not him, is it?
Mm-hmm.
No. What number is
Oh,
he?
you should know if it's him.
I should. Where is he? Oh, he's 28. Okay. That guy's 18. I want one of these fancy ones of him. I mean, I could get one on eBay for like $5, but if I got one out of the packs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Marshawn Lynch, rookie. Antonio Pittman. Chauncey Stuckey, rookie. Lendale White, Trent Green, Derek Burgess. Justin Durant, rookie. Maurice Jones-Drew, Champ Bailey, Dominic Rhodes, Sean Phillips. Stuart Bradley, rookie. David Irons, rookie. Vince Young, Reggie Wayne, Al Wilson, Quentin Moss, and Damian Hughes, rookies. Rasheen Mathis, Elvis Dumerville, Lamont Jordan, Sean Merriman. Buster Davis, David Harris, rookies. Marvin Harrison, Darryl Smith. Gerard Rabb, rookie, atomic rookie, I mean. Rima McKnight, atomic rookie. Robert Meacham, hot rookie.
Like the actor?
Could be. Fernand Morency, Eddie Kennison, and Derek Hagan, glossy. This is actually inaccurate. It says 55 rookies seeded, 3 in every pack. We've gotten some packs that had like 9 rookies in them.
Sure. Ted Ginn, rookie.
Yes.
Greg Olson, rookie. Lawrence Timmons, rookie. Terrell Suggs, Kellen Winslow Jr., Jerome Mathis, Arnaz Battle, Lee Evans, Charlie Fry, Cedric Wilson, Will Witherspoon, Mac Strong, Zach Thomas, Lavernius Coles.
Lavernius.
Oh, every time I get it wrong. Bart Scott, Travis Wilson, Andre Johnson, Frank Gore, Demetrius Williams, Shane Graham, James Farrier, Randy McMichael, Lofa Tatupu, Vivani Holiday, Thomas
I'll tell you in
Jones.
a second.
Okay.
I was just thinking, the one guy is LaMichael James, and this guy's Randy McMichael. What if it was LaMichael McMichael? That would be awesome.
And Carmichael too.
Yeah.
Arnes Battle Atomic. Vernon Morency Atomic.
Okay.
Ito. Peyton Manning.
Ooh, Peyton Manning Gold Zone, numbered to 600. There you go.
Eric Frampton autograph.
Eric Frampton rookie inscriptions. I think we actually got, in the other box we got this too.
Jamali Cornelius.
Yeah, I guess so. Glossy.
Chris Hope. And Cornell Cadillac Williams.
This one. I have a good feeling about this pack.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. This is going to be the one that has the Adrian Peterson Atomic Glossy Gold Zone Artist Proof inscription. Oh, Sidney Rice. Okay. Sidney Rice, Steve Smith, and Troy Smith, rookies. Carson Palmer. Sean Jones. Demeco Ryans. Ryans? Vernon Davis. Roscoe Parrish. Chad Jackson. Leon Washington. Alex Smith. J.P. Lussman. Joey Porter. Chris Baker. Mark Clayton. Ooh, this is a nice name. Camarion. Wembley. Owen Daniels. Ashley Lilly. Josh Reed. Lawrence Maroney. Braylon Edwards. Dunta Robinson. Drew Bennett. Josh Brown. Channing Crowder. Jericho Cotchery. Travis Wilson, Atomic. Chauncey Stuckey, Atomic, rookie. Oh, well. Dan Bazwin, scorecard. Numbered to 750. Oh, and it's a rookie. Gerard Rabb, glossy, rookie. And then Bo Scaife and Bernard Berrien, glossies. Bernard Berrien, I mean.
Isaiah Stanback, rookie.
Say that again?
Isaiah.
Isaiah.
Patrick Willis, rookie. Robert Mitchum.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
rookie. Aaron Kempman, Joe Horn, Drew Brees, Derek Brooks, Brett Favre, E.J. Henderson, Keyshawn Johnson, Michael Clayton, Marion Barber III, Jeremiah Trotter.
Jeremiah.
Oh. Okay. Lance Briggs, Greg Jennings, Warwick Dunn, Chris Draft, Cedric Benson, Brian Calhoun, Antoine Winfield, Steve Smith, Joey Galloway, Jason Witten, Hank Baskett, Desmond Clark, Donald Driver, Charles Woodson, Atomic, Lawrence Timmons, Atomic.
I love these Atomic cards. Lawrence Timmons, that one's Atomic rookie.
Larry Johnson,
Franchise, insert.
Tank Tyler, glossy rookie.
Okay.
Isaac Bruce,
Glossy.
and Bob Sanders.
Alright. Okay, 2 packs left. Gaines Adams. Paul Williams, Tony Hunt, and Alonzo Coleman. All rookies. Bob Sanders, Chris Hope, Tony Gonzalez, Kirk Morrison, Gerard Rabb, Michael Aquo, and Tim Shaw. Rookies. Fred Taylor. Dewan Woods, John Abate. Rookies. Earl Everett, Adam Vinatieri, Keith Bullock, Sammy Parker, Thomas Howard, Thomas Clayton, Zach DiOssi. Rookies. Courtney Anderson, Nate Kading, Tank Tyler, and Jamal Cornelius. Rookies. Dwight Freeney, Atomic. Deshaun Wynn, Atomic rookie. Oh, we got 2. Greg Olson, hot rookie, insert. Dwayne Jarrett, hot rookie, glossy, insert. Earl Everett, glossy rookie. Jim Kleinsasser and Ronald Curry, glossy.
And the last one. Full of Peterson, I'm sure.
Yes, better be.
Michael Bush, Johnny Lee Higgins, Drew Stanton.
I think that one's pronounced Adrian Peterson.
Oh, okay. And I think it's purple, it's not blue, right?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Derek Hagan, Teddy Bruschi, Todd Heap, Matt Hasselbeck, Dante Culpepper, Roosevelt Colvin, Steve McNair, Justin Smith, Santonio Holmes, Tori Holt, Daryl Jackson, Marty Booker, Adalius Thomas, him again, Peyton Manning, Nate Clements, Shad Williams.
What was it?
Shad?
What a strange name.
Shad?
I don't know. Shad is probably right.
Dante Stallworth.
Hey, wait a second.
What?
This one was a rookie.
Oh yeah, I didn't see with
Yeah, it's tough. Earl Everett. Well, I'll go over them all later because I might have missed some.
Dante Stallworth then. Eric Coleman, Robert Geethers.
I think so.
Heinz Ward, Steven Jackson, Dion Branch, Chris Chambers,
Excuse me.
Heath Miller,
Atomic.
Larry Johnson,
Atomic franchise.
Jeremiah Trotter,
Scorecard. Numbered to 750.
John Abbat,
I guess. Rookie. Glossy.
Ernest Sims,
Glossy.
and Brendan Marshall.
Alright. That's it. So we got one autograph, Eric Frampton, one Peterson, one Calvin Johnson, one Marshawn Lynch. Let's see. 5 numbered cards. And 4 hot rookies for the franchise, 4 franchise inserts, and a bunch of those atomic parallels. And the stack of regular rookies is like that. So, pretty good box. And we will see you next time.